Welcome to Flip My Florida Yard. On today's episode, we head to Boca Raton. It's here we flip a front yard that's full of weeds and sand spurs into a yard that's friendly for Florida's environment.
I look at my neighbor's yard and I feel like I want to get my house and switch.
We install over 150 plants, attracting all kinds of wildlife.
Instead of creating like a butterfly garden, we really made a butterfly yard.
We install a driveway that's Florida friendly.
They've had a lot of issues with their driveway flooding. Are they going to have those issues anymore?
Not at all.
Then we'll show you how to replace that bad patch of grass.
That bad patch of grass doesn't have to drive you crazy. It's really easy to fix.
Then it's a DIY compost bin.
This is going to really integrate really well with everything they've got going on here.
And as usual, it's down to the wire.
They're going to be here. I hope we're ready.
A reveal that left the family in disbelief.
How did he do this in one day?
One day.
It's unbelievable.
All this and more on Flip My Florida Yard.